is Oreo. Hello, my name is Brownie. Hello, my name is Minnie. Hello, my name is Lulu. Hello, my name is Seal. Welcome, everybody. Oh, Brownie. Hello, Lulu. How you doing? Good. Hello. Yeah, today I want to do a Lego build right now. Okay. Okay, I'm good. Now to love some Brownie. Hello, Brownie. Hello, Oreo. Thank God I teleported here. Yeah, well, guess what, guys? It's time for. Okay, sweet Brownie. I just had to. Okay. So, everybody, we're gonna wait about 30 minutes, and then I think we might reveal you our arts. 15 minutes later. Alright, everybody, we reveal our arts. I made a poop. I made TNT. I hope I be the winner. I built Steve from Minecraft. And finally, I built a lollipop with the stick on it. Actually, let me tell. Let's start on Lulu, me, Minnie, and then Oreo. So Lulu goes first. Alright, everybody, listen up. I made a lollipop. What I made about this lollipop is that it's super tasty. It's like the ocean. It's like on top of a stick. So just pretending it's Lego. Now, what will you guys? What will you guys describe this as? Lulu, I have a question. What? It wouldn't better that if you made the color be rainbow instead of blue, like me. Oh yeah, that is a good idea, but I had no time because I didn't think of that. I have another question. Okay, Fries. Does it actually taste like blueberry or raspberry? No, it just tastes like Legos. Which is disgusting, but I just pretended it to make a lollipop. And that's all I can show. Thank you. Okay, then I'll stay here. Next to me. This is going so long. Alright, everybody. The building thing, the thing I made is right behind me, right there. Are you guys ready? Yes! Okay, 3, 2, 1. I built Steve from Minecraft. Wow! I know, it's awesome! I built it for Steve from Minecraft. So what do you guys rate this as? 10! Oh wow, everybody's a 10. I better win this. Wait, let me go over there. Whee! Next time me, and then after me, it's Oreo. So what I built is TNT. Alright, everybody. I built TNT. So yes, I built TNT. It is actually really explosive. Do you guys want to see it? Yes. Alright, everybody. 3, 2, 1. So what do you guys rate that? 10! 10. Actually, I'll rate it a 10. I'll rate it an 8. I'll rate it a 10. I'll rate it an 8. I'll rate it out of 10. I'll rate it out of 8. I'll rate it a 10. And I'll rate it a 9. Oh, wow, that's a good one. Oh, and finally, oil. Woo! Come on, everybody, it's my turn. Yay! Alright, everybody. So, everybody, what I made is a poop. Yeah, I made a poop. Do you guys want to smell it? No! I'll tell you fun facts about poop. What they do is that they protect guinea pigs from helpful. No. And what they do is that they're my most favorite thing. And what the mostly like is that this is my best Lego building ever. Do you guys agree? I think that was a yes. Alright, everybody. I think this is I built a poop. Would you guys agree? Why is everybody not answering? You guys better like mine. Come on, this has to be the best one. You'll find answer. What do you guys rate this? 0. Oh, come on. Why would you guys rate it a 0? Because it's all a poop. I don't care about poop. They put the guinea pigs in the most favorite things. This smells gummy. Ha 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 ha. Are you guys laughing? Oh my god, I quit. I hate that poop so much. Yeah, I agree. Jesus, I hate this one. Well, everybody, the first place is Brownie. Thank you. And in second place, Lulu. Oh, I love that so much. And in third place, Minnie. Wait, let's start back. Yeah, so Brownie's rating was a 10. Lulu's rating was an 8. And Minnie's rating was a 7. And finally, Oreo in fourth place with his stupid poop. And his rating is a 0. Hey, that's not fair. Why is everybody rating it a 0? I'm sorry. That's just what happens every time. Come on, this has to be the best one yet. Well, that's it, everybody. Thank you for watching for this Lego video. And everybody, to the end of the video, make sure you like and share the video. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.